Khija Accounts Teaching. Kindly like, share and subscribe. For any inquiry, kindly contact at +61435205206. And my mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. Other is kumar745@yahoo.com. Today we are going to discuss ledger posting of subsidiary books of accounts. Now the first is ledger posting of purchase book. In individual personal accounts on credit side, by purchases account with the amount standing against him in amount column, and when again on different date that person name appear, again same treatment. After posting in all the individual personal accounts, open purchases account, and on its debit side two sundries as per purchase book. Total of the purchase book. Next is ledger posting of sales book. In individual personal accounts, two sales account with the amount appearing against him in amount column. After posting in all individual personal accounts, open sales account and write by sundries as per sales book. Total of sales book. Then the next is ledger posting of purchase returns book. In individual personal accounts, on the debit side, two purchase returns with the amount appearing against him, and in purchase returns account by sundries as per purchase returns book. Total of purchase returns book. Now the next is ledger posting of sales returns book. In individual personal accounts, by sales returns account with the amount opposite in the amount column, and in sales return account on the debit side with total two sundries as per sales returns book. Now we are starting with the ledger posting of cash book. For cash and bank balances, cash book is itself ledger account. For other items, if they are appearing on debit side of cash book, in its ledger account, if the amount appearing under cash on debit side by cash account, and if under bank by bank account. If the discount is with cash, it will be shown as by discount account with the cash account, and if with bank, then by discount account with bank on the other with bank. On the other hand, if an item is on the credit side of cash book, reverse would be the case. Next is ledger posting of bill receivable book. While posting in individual account by bill receivable account, and in bill receivable account on its debit side, two sundries as per bill receivable book with the total amount of the bill receivable book. Then ledger posting of bills payable book. In individual account, two bills payable account, and in bills payable account by sundries as per bills payable book with the total amount of the bills payable book. Now the last is ledger posting of journal proper. It is same as of journal. If an item is on the debit side, then on its credit side by name of the item on the debit side. And if it is on credit side, to name of the item on the credit side. In simple, debit side item go to credit side and credit side item go to debit side. For example, we have charged depreciation on machinery 20,000. The journal entry is depreciation account debit to machinery. Now in machinery account, we will write by depreciation account 20,000 and in depreciation account to machinery account 20,000. If it is opening entry, if an item is appearing on is a set and appearing in the debit balances, so while opening that account we will write to balance BD. Like if it is furniture, debtors, bills payable, we will write to balance BD. And if it is a liability and appearing in the credit balances, like sundry creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses, capital account, we will write by balance BD. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe it. Thank you very much.